France is the area that has all the prestige. So, classic regions from France, Bordeaux, Burgundy, so on. In most Asian markets, it's primarily red wine. I would say, I don't know this as fact, but it wouldn't surprise me if 90% of the wine consumed is red.
What do you think? What is the reason for this? Maybe a culinary connection, or what is the?
I can't speak on this with a whole lot of insight, other than I think it does tie to the perception of red wine having more character, more depth, more value. I think there's that aspect of it. Look, a lot of the spirits consumed in China are white spirits, high alcohol type of.
Yeah.
There may be some sort of connection. That's white wine just has that more of a and a little bit more maybe of a downscale image to it. But I think a lot of it has to do with the classic regions like Bordeaux. Bordeaux being 85-90% red wine, all the iconic estates with a few exceptions, tie back to red wine production. I think there's a long history of that.
Interesting. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch the full podcast episode by clicking here, or watch another interesting video by clicking here. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section and see you in the next one.